Ever tried backing up with nothing but your mirrors and a prayer and realized you can't actually see a thing behind you? Today's list might be the difference between a clean park and a very expensive crunch. In this video, the goal is simple: help you pick the best wireless backup camera for your vehicle so you can reverse with confidence, protect your bumper, and stop guessing what's lurking in your blind spot. The cameras in this countdown have been chosen for their real-world usability, image quality, installation simplicity, and how they actually feel to live with day after day. Number 7. EWAY Wi-Fi Magnetic Hitch. The EWAY Wi-Fi is a camera that feels purpose-built for people who tow and constantly switch trailers. The star of the show is the magnetic mount, 4 strong magnets built into the base clamp onto a flat metal surface with a surprisingly solid grip, so you can slap it on the tailgate, a trailer tongue, or the back of a horse trailer and get to work. In practice, it really does feel tool-free. No wires, no drilling, just position it and you're ready. The compact body and IP68 waterproof rating give you the confidence to leave it on in the rain or wash, and the housing feels tough enough to live outdoors without babying it. The other big advantage is that it talks straight to your phone using its built-in 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and the RV camera app. That means no separate display cluttering your dash. Your smartphone or tablet becomes the screen. When lining up a hitch, that's incredibly convenient. You can literally stand outside near the trailer, watch the live feed, and inch the vehicle back with surgical precision. The infrared night vision, with multiple IR LEDs, does a solid job up to roughly driveway distances, so backing up in the dark or into a barn isn't guesswork. For quick checks and short-range hitching, it absolutely delivers on ease of use. However, living with the EWAY every day exposes a few compromises that push it lower on this list. 6. LeeKooLuu LK3. This is a budget-friendly backup camera kit that couples a small monitor with a compact camera for very little money. The core appeal is simplicity and value. In the box, you get a 4.3-inch display, the camera, the wiring, a cigarette lighter adapter, and everything you need to hardwire it to your reverse lights. Once installed, it automatically powers up when you shift into reverse and shuts off when you shift out, which feels natural and OEM-like. It's a wired system, so there's no wireless pairing hassles, and the signal remains consistent without dropouts. On the image side, the LK3 can deliver a surprisingly clear picture for the price, with color imaging and guidelines that help you judge distance when backing into tight spots. The camera is designed with a high waterproof rating, up to IP69, so it's built to handle rain, car washes, and winter slush without fogging up. That durability, combined with the fixed wiring, makes it attractive for someone who just wants a cheap setup that works and doesn't need to move between vehicles. Once the wiring is neatly tucked away, the dash looks reasonably tidy, and the small monitor doesn't dominate your interior. But the reason this lands at number 6 is that the same wired simplicity is also its biggest drawback. Installation is more involved than any truly wireless system in this lineup. You need to run the video cable from the back of the vehicle to the front, tap into the reverse light wiring, and potentially remove interior panels. 5. WOLFBOX CS2. This is a wireless backup camera kit that strikes a nice balance between image quality, signal stability, and ease of installation. Instead of relying on your phone, it uses a dedicated 4.3-inch monitor that mounts on your dash or windshield and connects wirelessly to the camera. The camera itself uses a PC58 sensor, which is known for producing vivid, accurate colors and avoiding that washed-out look you see in cheaper cameras. In day-to-day use, the picture is clear and true to life, so you can quickly distinguish between a curb, a toy, or a pet behind the vehicle. The CS2's digital wireless signal is another strong point. It runs on a 2.4 GHz connection designed to resist interference from common sources like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and in practice, it remains stable on typical cars, SUVs, vans, and mid-sized trucks within about 30 to 33 feet. That means you can reverse confidently without random flickers or lag. Installation is relatively straightforward. You power the camera from your reverse lights and the monitor from the cigarette lighter or a nearby power source, avoiding the need to run a dedicated video cable front to back. For many users, this is the sweet spot between fully wired reliability and wireless convenience. One of the standout features in actual use is the viewing angle and parking guide flexibility. The CS2 is tuned to about a 110-degree golden angle, which avoids extreme fisheye distortion while still covering enough width to eliminate blind spots. That makes distance judgment more accurate than ultra-wide lenses that warp everything. Number 4. Garmin BC 40. This is a camera that feels tailor-made for drivers already using a compatible Garmin GPS on the dash. The genius of this system is that the camera wirelessly pairs with your Garmin navigation unit, so instead of adding another screen, it simply turns your existing GPS into a backup monitor. That integration keeps the cabin cleaner and reduces clutter. The BC40 is totally wireless and battery-powered, using 2 OA cells that can last for months. And it snaps into a license plate style mount with no drilling or wiring required. In real use, that makes installation one of the easiest in this entire list. Mount the bracket, click the camera into place, pair it to the sat-nav, and you're done. The image it sends back is clear and wide, with a field of view around 150 degrees, giving you solid coverage across the back of the vehicle. When reversing, you can invoke the camera view directly on the Garmin screen, and with voice commands on certain models, you can even call up that view hands-free, which feels particularly slick when maneuvering in tight spots. The BC40 is designed to be rugged and weather-resistant, with an IPX7 rating that allows it to survive heavy rain and harsh conditions. That's important for trucks, SUVs, and off-road vehicles that see dirt, mud, and frequent washing. The camera transmits up to around 25 feet to the GPS, which works well for most cars and mid-size SUVs. Colors and contrast are tuned to be immediately readable on the navigation display, so you can spot obstacles quickly without squinting. 3. WOLFBOX G840S. This is a 12-inch mirror dash cam that transforms your rear-view mirror into a smart, full-width display. Unlike a simple backup camera, this unit combines a front dash cam, a rear camera, and a streaming mirror all in one, so you're upgrading both your visibility and your recording capabilities. The large 12-inch screen stretches across the mirror, delivering a high-resolution view behind you while still functioning as a reflective mirror when the display is off. Once you drive with a live digital rear view that cuts through rear pillars and headrests, it's hard to go back. The upgraded rear camera streams a crisp image with a wide field of view, helping to eliminate blind spots and give you a clear sense of what's directly behind and slightly to the sides of your vehicle. WOLFBOX also adds useful software options, like flipping the rear image vertically or horizontally, which is especially handy when you mount the camera in unconventional positions on pickups, SUVs, or even higher on an RV. In daily driving, the ability to split the screen and see both front and rear feeds at once can be a real asset, especially in heavy traffic or while maneuvering in tight urban situations. As a backup aid, the G840S integrates parking assistance with on-screen guides and high-quality low-light performance, so reversing at night remains comfortable. Because it's also a dash cam, it continuously records your driving, giving you an extra layer of security in case of incidents. 2. Pemacom P15. This is a system that feels purpose-built for people who value flexibility, long battery life, and a big, easy-to-read screen. The camera mounts magnetically using multiple strong magnets and a soft base that protects your paint, so you can instantly attach it to a tailgate, bumper, or trailer and reposition it in seconds. That alone makes it incredibly convenient if you tow different trailers or sometimes want the camera on a different vehicle. Where the P15 really shines is power management. It packs a large built-in battery paired with a 5-watt solar panel on the camera, so normal daylight driving helps keep it topped up. You can also charge via USB-C when needed, but in everyday mixed use, the combination of solar and battery dramatically cuts down how often you have to think about power. The monitor powers from a cigarette lighter or USB source and can be turned on or off as needed, with the camera automatically waking when the monitor is active. It's a smart design that feels almost self-maintaining once everything is set up. The 1080p image quality, combined with a wide viewing angle and enhanced night vision, gives you a detailed, confidence-inspiring view of what's behind you. The 7-inch display is significantly larger than many competitors, which makes reading depth and spotting small obstacles vastly easier. The system uses a digital 2.4 GHz connection with anti-interference technology, offering a stable, low-latency feed up to about 33 feet. 1. VOX Solar. This is a system that nails the trifecta of easy installation, strong image quality, and almost zero ongoing maintenance. The standout feature is right in the name. The camera is powered by a built-in rechargeable battery supported by solar charging, so in typical daily driving, you almost never think about power. That means no running power wires through the vehicle and no constant battery swaps. It truly feels like a fit-it-once-and-forget-it solution. The kit includes a 5-inch monitor that delivers a 1080p picture, giving you a sharp, detailed view that makes judging distance far more intuitive. Even in low light, the combination of a quality sensor and tuned night vision tech gives you a bright, usable image without excessive grain, which is crucial for early morning or evening parking. The screen size hits a sweet spot, large enough to be readable at a glance, but compact enough not to overwhelm the dash. In daily use, the monitor powers with the vehicle, and the camera wakes automatically, so you're never waiting for a connection to catch up. Installation is where the VOX Solar stands head and shoulders above most competitors. The camera mounts at the rear, often near the license plate, and because it's self-powered, you don't have to tap into reverse lights or run cables through the cabin. The wireless link between camera and monitor is designed for stable transmission up to around 40 to 50 feet, which comfortably covers most cars, SUVs, and even many trailers. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.